Hey guys, but if Vuyokazi doesn't stay, it was not meant to be. But it is not meant to be. Kushindota that has had two kids with you later, it is not meant to be. Hi Boputi, it is not meant to be Njani after two kids. Don't you think maybe you should have said those type of things before you considered like even going that mile of making her a mother? Yo, Hashem, Mpumelelo iyadelela. So anyway, Mpumelelo, you guys, it really looks like he is just is done. I feel like the love for Uvu, you guys, is no longer there because even the way he speaks about her, I don't sense or see anything of a person that loves another person speaking like that. So Umpumelelo says if Viyakazi doesn't stay, if she just doesn't stay this time around, it just simply means that it was not meant to be. And he says that you can't force someone to stay. You must listen to their reasons. And I'm like, yes, you can't, true. You can't force someone to stay. But when you really want someone to stay and you really love them, you listen to their reasons and then you correct your behavior. You make the changes that this person's actually, because this person's not saying that I'm leaving because I don't love you anymore. Because once a person says that, then it's another story. But love can be revived again. But Uvuyolazi's reasonings for wanting to leave is stuff that Umenelo has control over. He just does not want to change them. So you can't say when a person is telling you, I'm clearly unhappy in this relationship, and in order for me to be happy, I need you to do A, B, and C, and you basically. Yeah, he's basically showing her the middle finger and he's like, I'm not going to change for you, Vuyokazi. I am not gonna, I'm going to put me first and I'm always going to put me first. And then he goes on to say that she loves me, but not what I do. And I'm like, hey, hi, Bo. He says she loves him, but not what he does. So I guess he is affirming the thing that he has been speaking about. Ukuthi uVuyokazi is not fit for Istembu. That's what Umpumelelo has said before, and Vuyokazi is in defense of Uvuyokazi. Vuyokazi says that she does not have a problem with Tembu. Her problem is with the way Umpumelelo handles Istembu. Which, on this one, guys, I have to agree with Umpumelelo. I really don't think Uvuyo is fit for Istembu. She must just accept ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe shembandla. Inhliziyo yakhe ayivumi ukuthi there must be other women. Like, just sometimes you must know yourself as a person that this one, guys, it's too heavy for my heart. So he says that Vuyokazi loves him and not what he does, and there's a problem with that because Estenjin, you need to love Istembu, you guys, for it for you to be in it. And even if you do love it, it still doesn't mean it's going to be easy because it's a lot of work. And Umpumelelo basically goes on to say that we can't be explaining one thing over 3 years. That means you don't want it. Hi, Umpumelelo. Imagine, when I heard him say that, it's like a person that is irritated and a person who's tired. Like a person saying to you, ngeke sikhazele into eyodwa ndoda into eyodwa, like over 3 years, like that means like this person is just fed up of explaining like one and the same thing for 3 years, and they are fed up of trying to convince you. So Mpumelelo is saying, you know what, I've been trying to convince you for the past 3 years. It's clear you just don't want Istembu. Not that I am the problem or not that there's a problem with the way I'm doing it. It's just clear that you don't want it. Hey guys, shame. You know what? In the Vuyokazi and Umpumelelo, it's quite sad from Vuyokazi's perspective. I feel sad for her, sad and happy. Sad because everything is gonna like be showing in front of her face. Umpumelelo is a public figure. Uvuyokazi has taken the decision, you guys, to just stay away from making her private life public, which I think is the best decision for herself. Do I think this whole thing of her moving on is going to be easy? I don't think so. I personally do think that low-key Uvuyokazi is still hoping that things do work out. Because I mean, guys, it's not just easy to walk away from a relationship. I mean, you've got 2 kids. She's got like a baby. Are they called toddlers? She's got a toddler with Umpumelelo. That's not an easy thing to do. So I really do low-key do think that she does really hope that things do work out. But Uvuyokazi, unfortunately, she's not willing to settle for being second position. Which, by the way, whichever way you look at it, whether you are first one, in this case where everyone is aware of Istembu, no one is better off, whether you are Mamkulu, whether you are second, third. In Pumelelo's temple, there's no one who's better off because it's just literally a ranking. But anyway, you guys are still gonna be ill-treated and mistreated because Umpumelelo is still figuring out his life, you guys. And for him to at least get to a point like Umusa, where he's treating his wives a bit better than the way Umpumelelo is treating his girlfriends, that is going to take years and experience. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this whole thing. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.